I have been eyeing for Polene bag for the longest time. With the recent price increase that sealed the deal. Today I'll be opening my brand new Numero Huit bag. This bag is chic, the design is unique. You definitely would not run into another person with the same bag. I chose a neutral color because it goes with everything. The bag comes with a box and a dust bag. This bag is the mini, but because it's so tall, you can definitely feed a long wallet or even a water bottle. As you can tell, this bag comes with a shoulder strap and a handle strap, so you can wear a different way. The interior of the bag is a leather suede. Bottom of the bag has an imprint, say Polene and made in Spain. The bottom of the bag has 5-point metal to hold the bag on the table so the leather won't touch the table surface. Let me know what you think and hope you get your polling back soon.